Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you with another video. I'm out in Bellevue, Washington right now in a nice area in my city, and I wanted to kind of bring a video to you today about goal setting. Now, I've been watching a lot of Project Life Mastery, that Stephen James on YouTube. This guy is one of my idols, biggest mentors I watch online. Stephen James, look him up. And pretty much I was watching a video of his last night about goal setting, and what he talked about in that video is the difference between having external goals and internal goals. And these are basically driving factors that's going to help motivate you to achieve all of the goals in your life. And kind of the difference between both of these is pretty much having an external goal is something like reaching $10,000 a month or getting 20-inch biceps or something like that. Something material, something physical that you can actually see and obtain that result. Getting a great wife or something like that. And these are goals that once you reach them, it actually, unless you have some kind of internal drive to keep going, once you reach the goal, you're just going to become complacent and not really work that much at your goals like the drive that you had before. You can imagine kind of an example of that is going to work out at the gym every day to try and sculpt that perfect body to meet an awesome woman. Now, let's say you finally meet that woman or man if you're a girl, and you meet them and you start dating them and things like that and get married. Now, what's the drive going to be for you to improve your body if you've already met the woman of your dreams and you don't need to work out that hard anymore? That's why when people get married, sometimes they lose a lot of their gains and stuff, so it's really wise to have internal drives and motivators that are able to help you to keep going all the way. And these are going to be things that are like, you can't tap out the growth on these, and they just go on infinitely. Like, you can always make so much money, but I guess there's a study in after you make $60,000, $70,000 a year, your happiness doesn't go up too much, because once all your basic needs are fulfilled, that's pretty much all good. So having $100 million and having $300 million won't make too much of a difference for you. Hypothetically speaking, depends on what you want to do with that money, but pretty much the internal drives that can really help people blow up to the stratosphere and things that make Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, all these big guys that just have so much money, but why would they keep still working? The reason behind this is because they have an internal drive that's maybe helping other people, helping society. They're philanthropists. They want to build big schools. They want to learn how to go to the moon. They want to go to Mars and check out the rest of this universe. And they're thinking a lot bigger than just themselves. A lot of people just will place all of their motivators on physical things about themselves. So I just wanted to bring a quick video to you guys. Stephen James, I really encourage you guys to look at him because he literally gives me so much motivation and teaches me how to do goal setting, like how to start a morning ritual, how to start your day out right. It's a lot of relation to Tony Robbins and what he talks about, but I just wanted to bring this one quick to you guys. I know I talk all the time about Amazon FBA, but in the future, as I start making my monetary goals come true, I'm going to find other ways, and that's basically going to come back and try and help all of you guys. Looks like we got my mom. So we got mom out here in the park. I just took her out to lunch, and we got Tucker down here. Tucker! So I'm just bringing a quick vid, and I want to start bringing maybe some more motivators, some more goal setting videos for you guys, because I know in time, once I reach all my goals, I need to find ways to keep going. So helping others is one of the biggest things that I've found fulfillment in. Like flying out to Cali, getting able to fly out to other places and watch success in other people's businesses is actually something that I can continue to do and never tap out of that growth possibility, because there's never too many people that I can't help. It's always going to be something. So that's kind of what track I'm on right now. That's why I decided to make an Amazon Seller Pro course to help the brand new beginner step-by-step how to sell on Amazon. And I have literally like $100 discount on that for like a couple more days. In 3 days in 2 days, on the 21st of May, will be exactly 1 year since I started YouTube, starting to bring content to you guys to help fulfill my life by helping others and giving them a one-way path to their success. And literally, I'm just a brand new dude doing all this stuff, and it's awesome. So I think anyone can really get into this. I'm nothing really special. I just had a dream, man, and I wanted freedom. So after that message, I think I'm gonna tune out. But again, guys, Bellevue, very, very nice spot out here, guys. If you're ever in Washington State, hit me up, drop a comment, and we can do some kind of meetup, a YouTube meetup, or I'll even film, we'll do some interviews or something, but I wanna meet you guys. So reach out to me in whatever way you feel possible. I got all my links down below for Instagram, my Facebook page, stuff like that. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Peace out.